In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted records in Salesforce using the recycle bin. Whether you've accidentally deleted an important record or simply need to retrieve information you didn't mean to lose, the Salesforce recycle bin is here to help you out. Let's walk through the process together in a clear and simple way. To kick things off, you'll want to start by navigating to the recycle bin, which you can find in the top corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you will see all the deleted items listed. Now, if for some reason the recycle bin doesn't appear in your search results, don't panic just yet. It might just mean that the tab hasn't been added to your app yet. In this case, you have a couple of options. You can reach out to your Salesforce administrator for assistance, or if you're comfortable, you can customize the navigation bar yourself to add it. Ensuring the recycle bin is easily accessible will save you time in the future. Once you've entered the recycle bin, you'll be presented with a list of records that are waiting to be restored. This is where you need to focus on finding the exact record or records you need back. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the right ones, as rushing through might lead to accidentally restoring something you didn't intend to. After you've identified the records you want to recover, simply check the box right next to each item. This step is crucial, so double-check to make sure you've chosen all the items you want to restore. Once you've made your selections, you'll notice a Restore button at the top of the page. Give that a click, and just like that, your deleted records are brought back to life, almost like magic. It's important to remember that this feature is time-sensitive. Deleted items will only remain in the recycle bin for a period of 15 days before they are permanently erased. So, it's essential to act within that window to avoid losing records forever. Now, here are some extra pointers that might come in handy. Only certain types of objects, such as leads, accounts, contacts, opportunities, and cases, can be restored directly. So, be aware that this method may not apply to absolutely everything you delete. Furthermore, if the records you're restoring had related records, you might need to do some additional cleaning up post-restoration. This can involve re-establishing relationships between different records and ensuring everything is back in working order. By bearing these tips in mind and utilizing the Salesforce recycle bin efficiently, you should be able to streamline your workflow without fear of losing critical data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're now more confident in handling deleted records in Salesforce. Don't forget to keep your data safe and happy restoring.